Let's jump in and look at the point of sale software. This is an integral part of Route Manager. It is an optional module, but you get to it by going under modules down to point of sale, and you'll notice that there are two different programs. The first is the configuration screen. This is where you come in, identify the various accounts that are going to be charged, as well as setting up products that will be used during the point of sale process. All of this is user configurable so that you can get the exact settings that you really want to have. Once you have done the configuration, then you can jump into the actual using of the point of sale. So we'll come down here, point of sale, POS sales, and you'll notice the first screen allows you to decide whether you want to exit, starting on the right side, whether you would like to do a charge sale or cash sale. Both are supported in this module. Once you've chosen a cash sale, for example, now you can enter the products that the customer is buying. So for example, let's say they want 2 bottles of 5-gallon spring water. I can simply touch the screen or click with my mouse and then put in 2 bottles, hit the check mark, and that will add it to the invoice that I am creating or the sale for this particular customer. In addition, you can scan items with your barcode reader. As you scan the item, it will do the very same thing as clicking a button and allow you then to enter the quantity. You actually have an option, if you like, instead of putting quantity in, of just scanning or touching the screen multiple times on the same product to up the quantity. In this mode, if you touch the 1-gallon distilled 6-pack 3 times, it will automatically add 3 to your quantity. Everything is being added here at the bottom of the screen. When you've put in all the items for this transaction, touch the Done key here. This will allow you to either save or continue to add more products. Let's say we're done. So here we touch the Save key, and now it wants to know if there's going to be a payment for this. And so if there is, you can choose the type of payment that a customer is going to do. Let's demonstrate how to do a cash sale first. By touching cash, it will automatically bring up the amount of the transaction. If, for example, a customer gives you a $20 bill, you can highlight this and put in $20 and hit OK, and it will then tell you the amount of change to give back to the customer. If you're going to do a check, for example, then it will ask the check number. Let's do one more, and this time we'll use a credit card swiper. So we'll make it a cash sale. And let's just say we want to have 2 cases of cups. So we'll just hit 2, OK, and then we're done. We'll touch save. And this time as we touch credit card, it will show the amount there, at which time you will swipe the credit card and it will then automatically charge that credit card. This occurs in the steps shown above. As you swipe the card, the digits actually are read and displayed onto the screen. You also have the option of typing the card in if it will not scan correctly. You can also use a chip reader for this. So here, for example, we can put in our card number and hit OK. And then it wants the name of the card. By putting in the name of the card, then it will actually get it authorized and show that on the receipt. Now, if you do want to do a charge sale, it's necessary to put in the customer's account number. And so here, for example, you can look up the customer by putting in part of the customer's name. If we put in Jones and do a search, there we are, Gerald B. Jones. And so now, instead of expecting a cash transaction at the end, they can simply choose the products that they want. Let's say they want some propane, want 6 of those, and some hot cup sleeves. We'll hit 3 of those. And so in this situation, you can put all the items in, and then at the very end, all you have to do is hit save, and now a charge sale has been created. It does allow you to confirm the amount, name of the customer. If there is a purchase order, you can put that in as well, and then we hit done. After each of these transactions, it's possible, depending on the configuration, to give the customer a receipt. That way they have a record of this particular transaction. All of these transactions are being saved and can be edited if there has been a mistake made. At the end of the day, you will post all of the transactions so that they go either against the customer's account or against the cash account, which will then reconcile with all the cash, check, credit card, and other payments that may have been received that day.